Let me tell you something I learned from years on Wall Street, and it's a lesson that's more true today than ever before. The biggest lie in the AI space right now is that you need to be some kind of tech genius to make money. That you need a PhD from MIT, a deep understanding of neural networks, or the ability to write thousands of lines of complex code just to get a seat at the table. It's a myth. A gatekeeping tactic designed to make you feel like you're not smart enough, not technical enough, It's designed to keep you on the sidelines, overwhelmed and intimidated, while a select few reap all the rewards. But here's the unfiltered truth, the kind we trade in over here. Complexity is the enemy of execution. It's the single biggest barrier standing between you and a profitable automated business. Think about it. Every moment you spend trying to decipher a new programming language is a moment you're not spending finding a client. Every hour you waste tangled and convoluted software is an hour you're not sending an invoice. Complexity creates friction, it slows you down, and in the world of business, speed is everything. It's the reason so many brilliant people get stuck in a loop of endless learning but zero earning. They're caught in the complexity trap, believing that the more they know, the more they'll make. It's a fallacy. While most people are getting lost in the weeds of coding, chasing the latest, most complicated AI model, a small, smart group of operators are quietly running circles around them. I call them the simple architects. These aren't coders. They're not data scientists. They are business builders who understand a fundamental principle. The goal isn't to build the most complex machine, it's to build the most profitable one. They are using simple, off-the-shelf AI tools to construct basic, repeatable systems I call cash flow engines. These aren't some theoretical concepts. They are straightforward, logical workflows that find leads, deliver value, and get paid, week in and week out. They focus on results, not on the process. They choose simplicity over sophistication and clarity over confusion. And they are generating consistent weekly revenue that is changing their lives. They've cracked the code, not by writing it, but by ignoring it. They've realized that in this new economy, you don't get paid for being the smartest person in the room. You get paid for being the fastest to deliver a solution. And that's exactly what I'm going to give you. Forget the jargon, forget the university lectures, forget everything that's been holding you back. In the next 11 minutes, I'm going to strip away all the noise and show you the exact blueprint. I will walk you through the 3 plug-and-play AI agents that form the core of these cash flow engines. These aren't just theories. They are the specific, actionable tools that are currently creating more millionaires and doing it faster than the dot-com boom ever did. This is your playbook for the new digital gold rush. So, pay close attention. All right, let's cut through the noise. When people hear AI, they immediately picture some world-ending Skynet or a super complex digital brain that requires a PhD from MIT to even understand. This is the biggest myth holding people back. The idea that you need to build an entire universe of code just to get started. It's the complexity trap, and it's where most aspiring entrepreneurs get stuck, thinking they need to be tech geniuses. The reality? It's the complete opposite. Forget about building a general, all-knowing intelligence. That's not the game we're playing. The truth is, you don't need to build anything from scratch. You just need to direct. Think of an AI agent not as a sentient robot, but as a hyper-specialized employee. An employee that costs $0 to hire, never sleeps, never complains, and executes a single specific task with flawless precision. You don't need to know how to build the engine of a car. You just need to know how to steer it. Your job isn't to be the engineer, it's to be the driver, telling the system exactly where you want to go. Let me make this concrete. In a traditional business, if you wanted to find new sales leads, you might hire a junior analyst. Their job? Spend all day, every day, scouring LinkedIn, industry forums, and company directories to build a list of potential clients. They do one thing. Or, you might hire a marketing assistant to write social media posts. Their job is to take a topic and turn it into a tweet, a short post, or a blog update. Again, one specific function. That's exactly how our AI engine works. We aren't building one giant do-it-all machine. We are simply creating a small team of these single-task specialists. For our system, we're going to build 3 distinct agents, each with one clear job. First, we have the Lead Gen Scout. Its only mission is to find potential customers who have a problem you can solve. Second, we have the Content Ghostwriter. Its job is to create engaging, relevant content that speaks directly to those customers. And third, we have the Niche Researcher, a trend spotter that analyzes the market to find profitable opportunities and keep your strategy sharp. Each of these agents on its own is useful, like having one good employee. But the real magic, the core of this entire strategy, happens when you connect them. This is where you create an automated workflow, a system of systems. The Scout finds a lead. It automatically hands that lead to the Ghostwriter, which then crafts a personalized message or a piece of content. The researcher analyzes the results of that interaction and feeds the data back to the Scout to refine its search. It's a perpetual motion machine for your business. It's an engine that finds customers, talks to them for you, and systematically closes the gap between a simple idea and real, tangible income. This is the logic that will power your one-person business to $1,000 a week and beyond. I'm going to show you how to link these together using simple no-code tools. If you can move a mouse and click a button, you can build this. We aren't chasing billions here, we are chasing freedom. I'm breaking down the math of how these agents can secure your first $1,000 week. It's not about luck, it's about high-frequency output. Let me leave you with something practical before we end this video. 3 AI agents you can build right now, no coding, that can actually pay you every week. The first is a lead generation AI agent. This agent's only job is to find people who already need a service. It uses AI to scan places like Google Maps, LinkedIn, or business directories, and pulls a list of business owners who are actively spending money. Every day, it delivers fresh leads, so you're never starting from zero. The second is an outreach and follow-up AI agent. This agent contacts those leads automatically. It writes personalized emails or messages, sends them, tracks replies, and follows up without you doing anything manually. This is the agent that turns lists into real conversations and weekly opportunities. The third is a fulfillment AI agent. This agent delivers the actual service you're getting paid for. Things like social media content, email campaigns, blog posts, ad copy, or simple websites. What used to take hours or days now takes minutes, which means you can get paid weekly without burning out. Here's how this works together. One agent finds the clients. One agent talks to the clients. One agent delivers the work. That's how you turn AI into a weekly income system. No coding, no tech background, just systems doing the work for you. While your competitors are manually typing one email, your agents are sending 500 personalized, high-value outreaches. This is how you win in 2026. In New York, if you aren't fast, you're last. The same applies to AI. The tools are changing every week. You cannot afford to wait. The cash flow engine we are building today is designed to be resilient. Even if the platforms change, the logic of the engine remains the same. So, let's be clear. The era of the tech barrier is officially over. That wall that stood between your ideas and their execution, the one built with bricks of complex code, expensive software, and the need for specialized teams, has been torn down. What we've walked through today isn't just a theory, it's the practical, actionable proof. You now possess the 3 fundamental pillars for building a scalable, automated income stream. You have the blueprint, which is the strategic framework for your entire operation. You have the agents, your first 3 digital employees, ready to work 24/7 without a single complaint. And most importantly, you now have the mindset. The mindset of an architect, not just a builder. You've shifted from thinking about doing the work yourself to designing systems that do the work for you. That is the single most powerful transition you can make as an entrepreneur. But a blueprint is only as good as its instructions. To get your engine firing on all cylinders from day one, you need the exact commands that bring your agents to life. That's why I've put together a resource for you. If you want my specific battle-tested prompt templates for the prospector, outreach, and closer agents, check the link in the description. These aren't just generic suggestions. They are the plug-and-play scripts I've refined over hundreds of hours of testing. They're designed to save you the frustration of trial and error and get you straight to generating results. Think of it as the precise operating manual for your new digital workforce. And when you grab those, you're not just getting a file, you're joining a movement. We are growing incredibly fast, over 1,500 subscribers now, and it's because this works. You'll be joining the Architect community, a network of builders who are all focused on one thing: leveraging this new technology to create financial independence. This is your moment to decide. Are you going to keep trading your time for money, or are you ready to build an asset that works for you? The choice is between being a cog in the machine or being the architect of the entire engine. The tools are here, the path is clear, and the community is waiting for you. So, grab the prompts from the description, hit that subscribe button, and let's start building your engine together.